A very good morning to all of you. Om Asito Ma Satgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Very good morning to all of you. From ignorance, lead me to truth. From darkness, lead me to the light. As it is said by the famous saint Swami Vivekananda, that the future of the country is not in the hands of the government. The future of the country is not in the hands of the politicians, but the future of the country is in the hands of a teacher or faculty. With this grateful thought, the 6 days national FDP has been truly a great example suitable for this graceful. I, Professor Yogini Rao from Mechanical Department, SIT Lonavala, heartily welcome you all participants, guests, speakers, and all the attendees for this 6 days national level FDP validatory function. First and foremost, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude towards Professor Maruti Navale sir, President STES, Snehagat Technical Education Society. I would like to welcome Dr. M.S. Gaikwad sir, Campus Director and Principal, SIT Lonavala, Dr. M.S. Rohukule sir, Principal SKN SIT Lonavala, Dr. D.D. Chaudhary, Vice Principal SIT Lonavala, our esteemed guest, Dr. K.R. Borole sir, Vice Principal, Srimati Kashibai Navale College of Engineering, Pune. He is associated with Snehagat Institute since many years. He is a doctorate holder in mechanical engineering field and he has guided many undergraduate students, postgraduate students and PhD pursuing students too. Welcome, sir. I now also welcome our guest of honor, a renowned industrialist named as Mr. Praveen Godke, sir. Praveen Godke, sir, is currently principal in user experience design lead at We Kriya Tech Consultancy Services Private Limited, and he is a design lead at Johnson and Johnson. Praveen sir has completed his education in Master of Design, Industrial and Product Design from MIT Pune. Praveen sir has also worked as Design Director of Kion Designs India. Sir, we all are blessed to have you as an industrialist, and your guidance will definitely help all the participants to gain and put light in the knowledge. Thank you, sir. Now, I would like to call upon in our program Dr. M.S. Gaikwad, sir, Campus Director and Principal of SIT Lonavala, for his welcome speech. Over to you, Gaikwad, sir.
Mr. Praveen and Mr. Kishore Borole sir and other dignitaries who have joined this esteemed valedictory function. Best wishes to all the participants for developing their career in the recent fields whatever you selected and discussed in this FDP. And I am very much thankful to the organizer for making me part of this FDP and giving an opportunity to express my opinion. Thank you very much. It is over to you, ma'am.
Thank you very much, Gaikwad sir. Thank you very much for your very valuable words at this position. And
Welcome.
you have always been a grand motivation to all of us, may it be faculty, may it be students, or may it be anyone who comes in contact with you, sir. Thank you for that graceful inspiration always. And
Welcome.
you have always given a grand platform to all of us for many areas which are for furnishing the technologies, may it be in interdisciplinary fields. Then latest research trends, you have always been motivating figure for all of us. You have a great sparkling enthusiasm because of which we are blessed, sir. Thank you very much to our campus director, sir. Now, I would like to welcome our honorable chief guest, Dr. K.R. Burre, sir. Sir, I would like to say a few things about sir. Honorable Dr. K.R. Burre, sir, he is the Vice Principal of Srimati Kashibai Navle College of Engineering, Pune. He is associated with Sihagar Institute since many years. Sir has guided many undergraduate, postgraduate, and PhD pursuing students under him. First and foremost, he has pursued his doctorate in mechanical engineering and is also a very supportive figure, inspirative icon in many colleges, including our college, because he has been a great support in the technical activity, biggest activity, which is the tectonic activity of every year. And I heartily welcome Dr. K.R. Burre, sir, in our grand function. Sir, I would like to invite you for the speech for all of us. Over to you, K.R. Burre.
Thank you, madam. Good morning to all of you. Honorable Dr. M.S. Gaikwad, sir, Principal, SIT Lonavala. Dr. M.S. Rokole, sir, Principal, SKN SITS Lonavala. Dr. D.D. Chaudhary, Vice Principal. Professor S.M. Gaikwad, HOD Mechanical Engineering. Mr. D.S. Ghodke, Mr. S.G. Dabade, Mr. A.P. Ogle, faculty members, and my dear participants. I am delighted to be present here to speak at this valedictory function of 6 days FDP on research at a glance, current protocols. I congratulate the organizers for selecting such an important theme for the FDP, and I am hopeful that the deliberations by the various resource persons across the state in this FDP will be immensely beneficial for the participants. I would like to express my views about the various topics discussed during FDP. Creation and dissemination of knowledge through research is one of the core functions of higher education institutions. Apart from generating new knowledge, engineering and technology institutions have the responsibility of developing technologies useful for mankind. Assessment and accountability of the NEP will be a game changer for research and innovation in the country. Another encouraging NEP is permitting the researchers to retain IPR. This is a good initiative and will motivate the researchers to do cutting-edge research. We can fetch the funds by writing a research proposals to various organizations like UGC, AICT, CSIR, DRDO, DST, DSIR, ISRO, and so on. role in knowledge transmission has been the motivation for the development of innovation and incubation centers at higher educational institutes. By setting up the innovation and incubation centers at institutes, small industries gain access not only to leading edge technologies, but also highly trained students, professors, and infrastructure facilities. While the institutes are benefited from building links with local bodies and improving their objectives regarding student employability. Most of us are publishing our research paper in journal for getting PhD degree, get funding, get promoted, and so on. The publisher do not want zero cited articles. In my view, abstract is the most important part of the paper because it is the only part of an paper that many people read and many journals will make freely available through search engine. Lastly, my best wishes to all of you, and I am hopeful that this FDP proved to be an eye-opening session for beginner and middle-level researchers, and also aimed at imparting the skills required to handle different tools and technologies that are useful during the entire process of research. Thank you. Over to Madam. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Yes. Boroi sir, very much thanks to you for your valuable guidance, which you gave, the words you shared, the thoughts you shared regarding the research and the current protocols, okay, regarding the paper publishing, the citations, the guidance which you gave. Thank you very much, sir. Will be always heartfelt and thankful to you for this guidance which you gave and you always give, sir, in the field of research. Sir, as you said, the skills which we have, which the participants have developed after attending the 6-day FDP will be very useful to them in their professional careers. Thank you, Boroi sir. Okay, so now for the next point, I would like to request our esteemed guest of honor for today, renowned industrialist, Mr. Praveen Ghodke sir, who is currently the principal and user experience design lead at VCrea Tech Consulting Services Private Limited, and he is a design lead position at Johnson & Johnson. So I would like to call now Praveen Ghodke sir for the further speech. Over to you, Praveen Ghodke sir. Thank you very much, Praveen sir. Your guidance in Industrial Revolution has definitely been a great inspiration for all of us. Thank you for giving your valuable time and your valuable knowledge and imparting this great knowledge regarding to industry and our own experiences to all of us. This will definitely be useful to all the participants, to all the people who are listening to this faculty development program to develop their personalities in technical and personal areas. Thank you very much, Ghodke sir. Now I would request Dr. D.D. Chaudhary sir, Vice Principal, SIT Lonavala, to give his valuable guidance for this function. Over to you, Chaudhary sir.
Yes, good morning, one and all. Good morning to all guest of honor today, Principal Dr. M.S. Gaikwad sir, Dr. Borole sir, and Dr. M.S. Rokle sir, and all my dear participants. I just wanted to say, and I just want to congratulate to organizer and appreciate the efforts done by all of you. Most of things as sir already already all the guest has mentioned. Same thing I want here, and definitely this topic was very good. I can only say about this program. This is the perfect program for the perfect people for the perfect use. So definitely, I hope that what are the purpose of this program will solve in the coming days, and more we people will go for the research, and finally we will give some solutions to the problems of the society, and that will solve the purpose of this program. So with this all, I wish you all best of luck for your research, for all the researchers, and once again, congratulations and appreciations to the organizers. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Chaudhary sir. Your valuable words will definitely prove to be a motivation for all the participants. And as the vision of our institution is, Uttam Purishan, Uttamabhiyantrata, Nirmantu Katibaddha Vayam. This means that we are not committed to produce good engineers, but good human beings also. Definitely, the 6-day national level faculty development program has been proved for this great thought. And with this thought in our minds, I would like to invite for the honorable talk of Head of the Department, Mechanical Engineering Department, SIT Lonavala, Professor S.M. Gaikwad sir, who is the coordinator of this faculty development program and also the HOD. Over to you, HOD sir.
Good morning to one and all. Myself, S.M. Gaikwad, coordinator of this 6 days FDP and HOD Mechanical Engineering. I welcome today's chief guest, Dr. K.R. Borole sir, our respected principal and campus director, Dr. M.S. Gaikwad sir, Dr. M.S. Rohkale sir, principal SKN SIT, Dr. D.D. Chaudhary sir, vice principal SIT Lonavala. Dear participants, my faculty members, HOD from other engineering colleges of STS. Initially, in the inaugural function, also I have explained that the different aspects of the research we have covered in this 6 days FDP, which will be helpful not only for the research aspirants, those who have started their research work, those who will start in the future, the students of our college and various other institutes also. This 6 days FDP will provide platform for the future work. And accordingly, the eminent personalities, experienced speakers, they have given their valuable guidance, their valuable experiences they have shared. And definitely, this will be helpful for all of us. Now, the research activity or if we say, nowadays, not only at the colleges which are at the city level, but everywhere, even in the rural areas also, the students as well as faculty members now, they are aware of the importance of research, importance of patent, and accordingly, this movement, what we can say, will be now accelerated. So not only during this FDP, but after FDP also, the relations which we have developed during this FDP will be definitely helpful for the coming research work. Whenever we stuck or whenever we need help from others, definitely all will give their valuable help or support to each other. Maybe the experimentation will be required, maybe some testing facilities will be required. Sometimes for the paper presentation also some help will be required. So at the different stages of the research, all will work together. The help of others will be there, and then only we can say the purpose of this 6 days FDP will be in true sense. I will also thank all the faculty members of our department of SIT Lonavala, the team members along with Professor Godke sir. They have really worked a lot, and this FDP is now about to conclude. So once again, I give my best wishes to all the dear participants. I must be thankful to our chief guest, Dr. K.R. Borole sir, our respected principal sir, vice principal sir, principal Dr. Rohakale sir, and all organizing committee. So once again, I am thankful to one and all, and the best wishes for you in your career. Thank you, madam. Now over to you, madam.
Thank you very much, Gaikwad sir. Sir, as it is said that the optimist says, opportunity in every calamity, and the pessimist says, calamity in every opportunity. So I would like and give my heartfelt thanks, great congratulations to all the participants of this national level 6-day FDP, that they are great optimists and they have grabbed this great opportunity and have definitely gained lots and lots of knowledge. Now, I would request any one of the participants for giving their feedback in this session. So now the session is open for the participants. Any participant who want to give their valuable feedback can give.
Yes, this is Professor Amar. Hello, am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, yes, sir. You are audible, sir.
Yes, good
Please
morning
continue.
to all of you. This is Amarnath Landge, Assistant Professor, Sri L.R. Tiwari College of Engineering, Thane. I'm very much thankful to Sinhagar Institute Lonavala and Let's Learn and Grow Together team for conducting such a great FDP on research at a glance, its protocol. The overall organization was very good. The topics covered in this FDP were very much interesting and helpful for the researchers to benefit the society through their future research. The speakers invited were very good and they guided us in a better way regarding current protocols in the research. So I'm looking forward for such great FDP's seminars in future. Thank you. Best luck for the future's FDP. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Godke sir. Thank you, Principal, Sinhagar Institute and Management. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you so much, Amarnath Landge, sir, for your valuable feedback. Definitely, your feedback will prove to be a great tool for all of us for the assessment of FDP. Thank you. And now I would like to call any second participant who want to give their feedback.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, continue, please.
Hello.
Please.
Hello. Good morning, all of you. I'm Professor D.T. Kashit from Sweris College of Engineering, Pandharpur. Before congratulating and appreciating the efforts of the team SIT and team LLHGT, I would like to mention some topics which are covered by in this during FDP. Need and MHRD policies, then how to write a research paper, how to fetch grants and funds from the various institutions and the other organizations. So all these also I must mention that IPR and patent facilitation, that session also, that was also good. And first session was the tools used in the research, that was also good tutorial. So all the topics and the sessions which are arranged by this during this entire FDP, that all were very informative and knowledgeable. All the speakers were very knowledgeable. So on behalf of Swedish College of Engineering Pandharpur, I would like to congratulate and appreciate the efforts of the team SIT and team Let's Learn and Grow Together. So also I would like to give best wishes for organizing this FDP as well as in future also. So thank you very much. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Digambar Kashid sir, very much from Pandharpur. Thank you for your wonderful feedback, and especially on the patent, as you said. And definitely, sir, take utmost advantage from whatever knowledge you have gained from this FDP. We are really blessed that you all are having such a great feedbacks. Thank you so much. Anybody else in the participants who are willing to give their feedback, please give it. The session is open. Any participants? Okay. If the feedbacks are completed, now we'll go to the next procedure, and that is the final vote of thanks. Now will be given by Professor B.S. Godke sir, who is the actual organizing team for this FDP in association with LLGTA, that's Let's Learn and Grow, which has been proved to be a great platform. So I hand over the further program to Professor B.S. Godke sir. Over to you, sir.
Thank you so much, madam. Now we are at the last part of this valedictory function, that is vote of thanks. I would like to express my sincere gratitude towards the entire management of STS family for allowing us to conduct such a nice FDP, which we have conducted for 6 days, and topic name was Research at a Glance, Current Protocols. Secondly, I would also like to thank the Professor Dr. M.S. Gaikwad sir, Principal and Director SIT Lonavala, for allowing us to conduct this 6 days national level faculty development program. I also would like to express my sincere gratitude towards the Vice Principal, Professor Dr. D.D. Chaudhary sir, for allowing us to do the same. I would also like to express my sincere gratitude towards the head of the department, Professor S.M. Gaikwad sir, who is also coordinator of this faculty development program, for helping us in various manners while organizing this faculty development program. Next, I would also like to express my sincere gratitude towards Professor Dr. M.S. Rokle sir, Principal SKN SIT Lonavala, for helping us to send the invitations of these faculty development programs across the country. Now, as a result of this wholehearted efforts by each and every committee member, what we have achieved, almost 81% of the total 3,600 registrations. Out of that, almost 81% participants are from India, and we have gained, or we have faced almost 19% overseas participants as well. A big thanks and kudos to all the participants who have made this event a grand success. I would also like to express my sincere gratitude towards the entire team of this 6 days national level FDP on Research at a Glance, Current Protocols, for their wholehearted contribution and last landing support while conducting all the 6 days in a well manner. Thank you so much, all of you. And lastly, I would also express my sincere gratitude because we can conduct many FDPs, many webinars, but if no participant is there, there is no use of conducting those FDPs, and those will not be the grand success. So most importantly, a big thanks of my heartfelt gratitude towards you all for making this event a grand success. And last but not the least, all the speakers, starting from the day 1 to day 6, I would like to express my sincere gratitude on behalf of Mechanical Engineering Department and on behalf of Sinhagad Institute of Technology, Lonavala, to all the expert sessions or to all the expert speakers, starting from day 1, National Education Policy and Introduction to Research, which was delivered by Dr. A.B. Shinde sir. I'm very much thankful for accepting our invitation and taking out time for giving this session. On the second day, we have conducted or we had the session on incubator facilities or incubation need and MHRD innovation policy. I would like to express my sincere gratitude towards the Pratik Dage sir, who is working at MIT. He has taken out some time out of his busy schedule. I am very much thankful for him as well. On day 3, we have conducted session on intellectual property rights, and there total 3 persons has helped us to conduct that session along with the 2 case studies. I would like to express my sincere gratitude towards the Kunal sir, Pal sir, Lokhande sir, and Basta madam, and their entire team for presenting day 3 sessions. On the next day, we have conducted how to write a research paper, and I would like to express my sincere gratitude towards the Professor Subhash V. Jadhav sir, who is from Sweris College of Engineering, Pandharpur, who has given us time out of his busy schedule and given the session on how to write a research paper. Next, I would like to express my sincere gratitude towards Mr. Jishan, who has given a nice presentation on how to use different tools while writing your or while carrying out your research. Thank you so much, sir. And I would also like to express my sincere gratitude towards Dr. Kaustubh Sawan sir, who has given the session on how to write different funding proposals in order to fetch the funds from various government and private institutions. Once again, I will thank all the expert speakers for taking out some time out of their busy schedule and given the expert sessions on these topics throughout all these 6 days. Thank you, all of you. And last but not the least, those who have helped directly or indirectly and whose name we have missed to take, I would like to express my sincere gratitude towards them all for making this event a grand success. And finally, I would like to express my sincere gratitude towards the platform on which we have conducted all these 6 sessions. Our pride sponsor, that is Team LLIGT, that is Let's Learn and Grow Together. I would like to take some time in order to brief you about what is that Let's Learn and Grow Together platform. That platform is having almost 700 plus videos covering your professional and personal development or personal growth, you can say. You can visit that platform and you can make use of it in order to make your life, that may be professional or personal life, or you can use those platforms in order to have the enhancement in your professional and personal life. Those that Team LLIGT is running 3 initiatives. This is a non-profit organization, those who are working for the upliftment of our society, and those 3 initiatives are: first one is Project Green Hands, second one that is nothing but Say Yes to Menstrual Hygiene, and third one that is Educate a Rural Child. If you want to know more regarding these 3 projects, you can hashtag Team LLIGT and you can search across the internet. On each and every platform, you will get to know the information regarding the same. If you are unable to get the information regarding the platform, you can reach out to us. Our contact details are given there. You can reach out to us. We are happy to help you. And finally, thank you all of you. One instruction is there from our side. After the end of this validatory function, you will be rewarded with e-certificate, and in order to reward yourself with e-certificate, you will get a feedback link. That feedback form you have to fill up. Minor details are there, your email ID, but while typing the email ID, please make sure that you have typed the correct email ID. Your name is there, your organization name is there, and some questionnaires are there regarding giving your final feedback, how these 6 days went, whether you have liked it or some things or some sessions there we need to improve something. That genuine feedback you can give us and you can help us with that. Then in order to reward yourself with e-certificate, what you need to do, some questions are there based on these 6 days topics code. Near about 15 to 20 questions are there, and don't copy from others. We have reshuffled the questions and different set of questions will be given to different participants. So don't copy each other. Those participants who will score more than 40% mark in that quiz, those will be rewarded with the e-certificate. If you will get less than 40% marks, don't worry. You can attempt it next time, and you can raise your score more than 40% and you will be rewarded with the certificate. After filling up the feedback form and after submitting it, what you need to do at the end, in the fourth section of that feedback form, you need to upload a video, or you can upload a audio, or you can write your message how the entire sessions were there on a page, and you can upload it there. And after that you can submit that form, and as soon as you are going to submit that form, within 15 to 20 minutes or maximum 1 hour, you will be rewarded with the certificate, provided that you must score more than 40% mark in that quiz. Hope I have cleared all the instructions, and finally I would like to say sorry for being harsh while taking up the attendance during these 6 days. Hope you will understand me. That was not to give you trouble. That was for the improvement your skill sets or improvement in the knowledge by attending all the 6 sessions consecutively. Thank you so much. And like this, many FDPs and webinars we are organizing on the same platform, that is Let's Learn and Grow Together. For that, you can do appreciate our efforts by subscribing to Let's Learn and Grow Together channel on every Monday at 1:15 p.m. you will get to know something regarding the industry or academia, or different types of webinars are there regarding our health, and many more topics are there. So for those updates, what you need to do, you need to subscribe to that channel. Thank you so much. And with the kind permission of chair, I declare that this validatory function is over. Now in the chat box only, I'm going to paste the feedback link, and we are going to keep this meeting open so that if you came across any of the difficulty, we will solve it online. Hope it is okay with all of you. So thank you all of you. Thank you all the dignitaries for joining this function. Thank you all the guest speakers, both the speakers, Dr. Borole sir and Mr. Praveen Godke. I express my sincere gratitude towards you, towards both of you, for taking out some time for this valedictory function out of your busy schedule. Thank you once again. So all the dignitaries can leave the sessions, and all the participants, I have pasted the link. You can start filling up your feedback form. If any difficulty is there, we are there to help you. You can raise your hand, or you can directly have the conversation with us, or you can type your message in the chat box. We are there to help you. Thank you so much. So let's start filling the feedback form. Thank you.
Respected Bhutke sir, it was surely a grand success, and I heartfully congratulate all the participants and the team LLBTA, and wish that with this team, all the participants must grow, must flourish their professions in this way. Thank you to even the institute. And now I declare the function, the validity function of the 6th national level FDP as completed. And as per the instructions given, you can fill the feedback link further. So thank you all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, madam.
In the last section of feedback form, we have asked you to submit your feedback in terms of any audio, video, or you can write your feedback regarding this 6 days FDP on some page or paper, and you can take the photograph of it and you can send it to us. There all the options are given. Hope you all are going to help us by giving the genuine feedback.
Yes, sir. Feedback is quite important,
Yes,
so that
sir.
we can add those points in further FDPs.
Yeah.
Already they have supported us very
Yes, sir.
in positive way. They have attended the program, but feedback is also important.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
That's why I haven't ended this meeting. If you came across any of the problem while filling up the feedback form, please raise your hand, or you can put your question in the chat box, or you can directly can talk with us. Our team is there. They are going to help us while filling your feedback form.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Thank you. And please be careful while typing your email IDs, because while registering also we have generated the auto generated emails are there. If you are going to mistype your email ID, you will not be able to receive your certificate. So please make sure that you have typed your correct email ID. Dr. Mishra is asking for the feedback link that I have kept in the chat box. You can click on that and you will be diverted towards the feedback link.
Hello, good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good
सर
morning, sir.
ये मैंने फीडबैक के सबसे लास्ट में मतलब कि अपलोड करने के लिए बोल रहा है फीडबैक
Yes.
फॉरम या
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What you need to do, you need to record a audio or video, or if it is not possible, what you can do, overall your experience, you can write it on a page and you can upload that page. That is also well and good. Yeah. Thank you, sir.
ओके
Thank
थैंक
you
यू
so much.
ओके
Yeah. Professor Sanjay Rathod is asking for the feedback link. You can find the feedback link in the chat box. I have pasted it at 11:36. If you are not finding it, please raise your hand. I will put it once again. We have received the feedback from VVF, Mr. Abhilash, yes, Mr. Nasir Sajjad. Thank you, all of you. Mr. Nasir Sajjad is our overseas participant. He is attending from University of Sargodha, Pakistan. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Mr. Nasir Sajjad is writing to us, best session, outstanding initiative. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Are the views from Dharmendra Patel, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. After this meeting, we will be sharing the link of that LLAGT YouTube channel. You can appreciate our efforts by subscribing to our channel. And there you can find almost 700 plus videos covering your personal and professional life. Actually, I have missed the team Let's Learn and Grow Together. They are running 3 initiatives entitled as, first one is Project Green Hands, second one that is Say Yes to Menstrual Hygiene, and third one Educate a Rural Child. Means by organizing such type of activities for free of cost, they are trying to fulfill or trying to raise the funds for these 3 initiatives. If you are interested to know more regarding these initiatives, you can search for the platform across the internet. You can search on any platform, you will get some of the information. If you are unable to fetch the information, our contact details are given here. You can contact us anytime. The email ID is teamllagt@gmail.com and mobile number is 9881776196. Roshni Gaikwad is writing to us, very informative all sessions. A very much thank you all. Thank you, madam. Thank you so much. In the chat box, I have given the contact details of platform Let's Learn and Grow Together. You can go to the chat box and you can save those contact details. If you wish to contribute anything, you can contact them directly. And those who will score minimum 40% marks on the questions asked in the feedback form, they will be rewarded with the e-certificate. Those who will score less than 40% marks, still one more chance is there, with the help of which you can earn your e-certificate. What you can do, you can once again edit your responses and make it possible that you should reach up to the 40% marks. For that, you can attend the sessions once again if you have missed any of the session earlier, and you can start participating in that feedback link. That feedback link you can submit multiple times. Adesh Dabre is writing, thanks for organizing informative session. Thank you so much, Adesh sir. Divya Jyoti is asking, when will we get the certificate? Madam ji, in order to earn the certificate, you have to score minimum 40% marks. And if you have scored less than 40% marks, you will not be rewarded with certificate at that instant. Still, you have a chance to improve your score, and you can score more than 40%, then you will be rewarded with e-certificate. Hope I have cleared. Amol Bor is writing, very nice FDP. Thank you so much, Amol sir. Yeah, Divya Jyoti madam is saying, I have scored 80%. Congratulations, madam. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes. You will be getting your e-certificate. Dr. Yemen Kativaran is saying, wonderful and informative sessions. Thank you, organizing members and all participants. Thank you so much, sir. Divya Jyoti madam, can you help me with your email ID, which you have typed while filling up the feedback form, so that I can stress out what is the issue? In the chat box, I have pasted one email ID. Please check who belongs to this email ID. This is incorrect email ID. I think if anybody doesn't have any problem regarding filling up of the feedback form, shall we end this meeting?
Hello.
Yes, sir. Go ahead, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. I'm listening.
Wait for 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Wait for 5 minutes, sir, please.
Yeah. No problem. I will be waiting, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, in the new link, there is no option of name.
No, just check it, madam. That might be due to we have reshuffled the questions. Somewhere in that feedback form, you will get that question. Don't worry.
Name of myself.
Yes, madam. Same thing I am saying. We have reshuffled all the questions, including your name, your organization name. We have reshuffled it.
Okay, sir.
Somewhere in the form, you will get that question. Please enter your name. Yeah. Thank you, madam. Mr. Abdul Salim is saying, sir, today we'll get our certificate. Definitely, sir, if you have scored more than 40% marks, you will be rewarded with the e-certificate. At the last window while filling up the feedback form, when you are going to press the submit button, after that you will get one tab, view my score. You can click over there and you can check your score. If it is more than 40%, within 10 to 15 minutes, you will be receiving your e-certificate. Hope I have cleared it. Thank you so much, sir. Okay, he is saying I have scored 90 of 95. Then wait for 10 to 15 minutes, you will be rewarded with e-certificate. Those are auto-generated programs. You might be knowing better than me regarding auto-generated programs. If there seems to be any problem, after half an hour, you can come back to us. Definitely, we are there to help you. We are there to help you. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Appreciate our efforts by subscribing to our channel. Thank you.